What's up everybody, Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about the new Drift profile links and how you can get yours reserved. So Drift has come out with a really awesome shorter link to make it easier for you to continue the conversation from social media, from your personal profile pages, or even your Twitter profile, in order to get people to come through, learn more about you, and be able to access you via chat or other methods. As you can see on the screen, I've got my Drift profile, and the one thing you'll notice is that there's a drift.me URL. This is a new feature that's just been added into your Drift profile settings, and you can set it up so that it no longer has your company subdomain on it, and it gives you a nice short URL. This URL can be used on social media, on Twitter, on Facebook. You could put this URL anywhere and it would let people get straight to you, know about you, and also be able to connect and chat with you directly. So I'm going to show you how to set this up in Drift. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log in, and once you log into Drift, you can go to your settings by hitting your profile in the bottom left, and you go to My Settings. Once you get there, you'll notice that you have your account information showing, and there's this section for profile right here. So with the profile, you'll notice that the Drift profile link is now going to be this new drift.me. You can go ahead and put in your name and your information, and I can only imagine that this is going to be unique for everyone. So you should get in there early and get your name reserved. There's also the advanced. You'll see the old profile link is still active, and they're really going to making this much more accessible outside of Drift. The one important thing to note is you're going to want to fill out the rest of your bio. You've got two different layout options here. You've got the full photo on the side with your profile information, and then you got a more traditional layout like this here. I'll show you what the traditional layout looks like. So this is the old one, and if we refresh this page, this is the other version. So a lot of times, using high-res photos and everything can be much more compelling. I'm a big fan of the high-res theme. It gives a little bit more of an opportunity to be a little bit more authentic and more visual, and it can create a more welcoming approach. So as you go down on the profile page, you'll see there's a lot of areas for information. Sure, it's real easy to make it so that this doesn't, so that this isn't filled out, but we live in a connected world now, and you should do your best to any instance of your company being mentioned, or you as a person, your personal brand being mentioned. You should make sure that people can connect with you in other areas. So you can put in your phone number, you can put in all your social links. You can also enable the calendar CTA on that page, and then as you go down, you can drop in a welcome message for when you're online. This would be for the actual Drift chat that would pop up, and of course an offline message as well. And if you scroll down further, you'd have information for a more extended bio. You could show your interests and everything else. So the big thing to realize once your profile is filled out is you have to turn on profile privacy. If you don't, no matter what you do with this link, it's going to redirect to the Drift homepage. So if you turn this on, this is going to make it so that your profile is available for the world. So that's it for the tutorial today. If you have any questions about Drift or conversational marketing, please go ahead and send us an email, drop us a line in the comments. We'd love to help you out. If you'd like what you've seen today, go ahead and subscribe to our videos. And if you'd like to see other tutorials that we've already done to date, go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative.